Hello everyone, I'm Miguel Bustamante, college student from AICS, Section AE1DC. In this video, you will learn how to open the Task Manager. First, press the Control Alt Delete. Yab. Then press the Start Task Manager. The Task Manager shows the old program running on your computer. You can you see all the programs running on your computer, and you can end them by picking them and click the end task. That's all. Thank you.